In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Skool community group URL. If you're looking to give your Skool community a personal touch by having a unique and memorable URL, you've come to the right place. This process not only makes your community more recognizable, but also easier for your members and potential new members to find. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your Skool account. Without logging in, you won't have access to the necessary settings we need today, so take a moment to enter your credentials if you haven't already done so. Once you're in, navigate to the specific community you manage. It's important to do this because any changes you make will only apply to the community you're currently viewing, so be careful to choose the right one. Now let's head to the Settings menu. You'll typically find this by looking for a gear icon or a drop-down menu labeled Settings. It varies slightly across platforms, but is generally quite visible. When you click on it, a menu will appear with several options. For our purposes, you'll want the one that says General. This is where you'll find the subsection for modifying your community's URL. Once in the General tab, you'll see an option labeled either Claim URL or Change URL. Click on this option. This is an exciting moment, as you are now at the step where you can truly personalize your group's web address. You're going to want to think carefully about the new URL you'd like to have. Ideally, it should be short, relevant, and easy to remember. Avoid complicated words or combinations of characters that could confuse your users. Once you've got your perfect URL in mind, it's time to type it into the designated field. After entering your preferred custom URL, the system will automatically check its availability. If the URL you've picked is available, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that you can go ahead with this choice. If the URL is taken, don't worry. This might just be a chance to come up with something even better. Try slight variations or additional characters until you find one that is available. Once you have a confirmed available URL, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually located at the bottom or top corner of the page. Click it to ensure that all the adjustments you've made are finalized and stored. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Skool community group URL, making it more distinctive and easier for your members to access. By following these steps, you've not only improved the branding of your community, but also enhanced the user experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy customizing!